morning. Let's make some breakfast. Start out getting some bacon in the oven. This is going to go into a cold oven at 400 degrees. Great shortcut. Simply potatoes, you keep them in your refrigerator. Good stuff. Fresh cut and ready to use garlic, so I'm going to just smash this up. I was lucky enough, looks like the wife chopped some onions for maybe a salad or something the other day, so I'm going to use that. And since this is a Texas kitchen, I'm going to use some green chilies. A squirt of avocado oil, a couple of pieces of garlic. I'm cooking for 3. I'm only going to use about half of this bag. Little Lowry seasoning. And scrape the bottom of this pan with. What I'm doing here is giving myself some room so I can cook my peppers and onions here. This onion. Hatch chilies. My garlic. House is really starting to smell great with all the onions and garlics and all that stuff cooking. I'm going to take the heat off that. That cast iron pan will keep things nice and warm while I finish up breakfast. So that's out of the oven, nice and crispy. This is where I'm going to use my non-stick. Give myself some butter. Give myself 3 eggs. A little flip. I like mine over easy. Some pepper. Turn of salt. I'm ready to plate this up. Potatoes. Bacon. This is good stuff. Good stuff. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.